Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, today's video is to plant this dill here that you can see is needing, I need to get it done because it needs a drink. To plant this common milkweed, which says excellent for perennial gardens, boggy areas, or water gardens. Especially striking combined with asters, Joe Pye weed, and bee balm. Grows 4 to 6 feet tall, plant 3 to 4 feet apart. Attracts butterflies, and of course the milkweed is planting this for the monarch butterflies to lay their little eggs on, because I've got monarch butterflies. Actually, I've had 2 chasing each other all around the garden today. So I'm going to get this in the ground, and I was initially going to put it over there on that side of the driveway, but when I read the tag and it said boggy areas, I decided to put it over here on this left side, on this side, south side of the driveway. You would think south side would be drier, but actually this is always much wetter on this side of the driveway. I don't understand why. It just doesn't drain as quick. So I'll put it there. Already got the hole dug, biotone, started fertilizer. Oh, and by the way, before we, I'm going to plant this Cheyenne Sky coneflower also today in this video, and I've got the hole dug for that, ready to go. But before we do that, I wanted to stop and take a moment to ask, and while we do that, I'll walk around and show you. You can see the mailbox flower bed have recouped from the storm we had a few weeks ago, when I showed you in that storm video where all that electric orange sun pascias and those El Brido coleus were just destroyed. You can see they've pretty much bounced back. Hopefully we don't have another one of those storms. And the other side of the driveway there also. And the pots are recouping. There's I don't know if you can see it, tiger swallowtail flying around at the moment, looking for something to land on. But I wanted to take a moment to ask you to please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. It's free of charge, doesn't cost you anything to do so, and it makes it's humbling to me. It makes me feel good, and it's humbling that you would do it in the first place. But then also makes YouTube show the videos to more people, I guess. I mean, I guess they think if people are subscribing, then they're liking it, and they're going to show it to more people. But enough said about all that. Let's get these in the ground. We'll start with the milkweed, since we're standing right here by the hole. Put it right here. See if I can get the camera set up. Actually, I think I'll start with the dill and the coneflower. And reason being is because I've got the cushions sitting there, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this dill right here in this pot that lost its centerpiece from that storm. I'm just going to stick it in that hole right there, and for now I'll see if I can do this one-handed but probably not going to be able to. But let's dig out this hole with my boar knife. Yeah, this should be good. put a little biotone starter fertilizer in there. And oh, by the way, I could put a link in the description for where you could buy that, where you could get it. But full disclosure, I would get a little something for doing that. But you know, I'll go ahead and do that. So this is kind of tricky. Oh, look at there. I guess that's why it's so dry. I mean, it is dry. Let's get this in here. Dig this out a little bit more with my hand. Forgot to put the glove back on, so I'm going to have dirty fingernails, but that's the beauty of doing things, well, one-handed, right? All right, I got that in there. I'll come by and water it and get it in a little better. And now I'm going to put the Cheyenne Sky. There's the tag to the Cheyenne Sky. Right here. It says it grows 2 feet tall, 2 feet spread. Zones 4 to 9. Sun to part shade. It's like all coneflowers. They're drought tolerant. So we'll get this stuck in the ground here. There's the, you can see the sombrero, sangrita, and sombrero lemon yellow. There, that's where I'm going to put it right here. And around right in here with these millennium and sedums that I transplanted also. Now let's see if I can get you guys set up. Something just blew up, some insect just blew up my nose, flew up my nose. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. Let's see here. Tilt you back a little bit. Set you in here. Hopefully, yeah, I think that's a good spot for you. Get this in the ground. Perfect. Remember, as Aaron on Garden Answer says, plant them high, they won't die. Plant them low, they won't grow. So, especially here in Northeast Ohio, where we have such wet winters and springs, you want to make sure that crown is protected from any moisture. There, I forgot to put my goggles on, so this right hand is definitely getting dirty. All right, there's those two. Now let's go put the milkweed in. Take my cushions. Pick up you guys. Go head up here. You can see the pots are recouping very well. All of the deep purple. All right, let's see. Right here is where we're going to put this. Take out this tree root, this maple tree that's growing here. This oak tree. Had a all right, let me see if you guys, yeah, all right, looking good. Here's the milkweed. Set it in the hole. Oop. Build this up a little bit. There we go. Going to have to get some more soil to put around this. Alright, you can see a little extra project, or extra work I'm going to have to do here. I'm going to have to go get some soil, put in this hole. We'll put this tag right here. But there you go, guys. Other than getting some dirt to put in here, that's it for these videos. I hope, and this is just common milkweed. So like I said, it grows 4 to 6 feet tall. This is for the monarch butterflies. And as I said, I'll go ahead. A couple of monarchs have been chasing each other around the garden all day. Alright, you can tell I dug something out of here. I'm transplanting, so that'll be another video. Took a shrub up out of this hole, and that's why I don't have enough dirt here. So I'll have to get some more soil to backfill this with. And then I'll show you the shrub when I plant it. There's a spider making the run for it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next one.